Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the settings because that's where captions are controlled. Press Home on your Roku remote. Once on the home screen, navigate to Settings, then Accessibility. The reason we go there first is Roku centralizes captions under Accessibility, so you avoid changing app by app. If your remote has a star, asterisk, button, you can press it during playback to open caption options immediately. This saves time. Make sure the TV input is correct before proceeding, so you can see changes live. Once in Accessibility, select Captions and set the caption mode to off or disabled. This turns off system-level closed captions. You should also scan the caption style options because unusually large fonts or a stuck style can appear like captions are still present. Next, test by playing any channel or app. Some streaming apps manage their own captions, so make sure the app's player has captions off as well. Doing both ensures you eliminate both system and app-level captions. Why you must check both to fully remove captions. You finish by verifying the change. Play a show and watch for captions. If they still appear, press asterisk during playback to toggle captions quickly. This helps identify app-controlled subtitles. If toggling does nothing, restart the Roku to clear cached settings. Often a reboot resolves lingering caption display. Finally, if captions persist, update Roku software or reset caption settings to defaults in Accessibility. If all else fails, contact the streaming app support, because some apps override system preferences and require in-app changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.